Installing a streaming video camera solution was very important to us from the day one. There were a few requirements we had. The system had to be very easy to use. The system had to be secure, and the system had to be easy to manage. WatchMeGrow checked off all those boxes.
It's very hassle-free from an administration standpoint. It's very easy for us to add families to the WatchMeGrow system. The quickness of adding those families is also important because they want to make sure that they can see their child, starting day one.
WatchMeGrow is very easy to manage. The feature that I love is that you can set for transition. So if I know that I have 20 children that are going to be transitioning in the next week, I can set the transition and then it automatically happens.
Things just, really work very well, especially on the mobile system and sometimes on my phone. Netflix buffers, Amazon Prime buffers, but never WatchMeGrow. It has just worked flawlessly.
It's been a turnkey solution. We don't have to do a whole lot to keep it running, but it adds incredible value to us.